Guys, welcome again to Engineering Economy videos. This is part 7, straight line depreciation. Okay, so this is straight line depreciation lang talaga. Depreciation nito. Okay, depreciation. Ibig sabihin, pababa yung value. Okay, so asset cost 50,000. Salvage value of 5,000, useful life 5 years. Compute the annual straight line depreciation and book value after the end of 3 years. So annual depreciation, ano yung kabaliktaran ng depreciation? Yung appreciation. Ano mga example ng mga appreciation na mga assets like ginto, like lupa. Okay, pag mga sasakyan, depreciation yan. So ito ang formula is cost minus salvage value over N, which is the lifespan or the useful life. So the cost is 50,000 minus salvage values na 5,000 over 5 years. So this is equals to 9,000 per year. Ito yung binababa ng value niya per year, no? Okay, ito yun. So book value, the end of 3 years is equals to cost minus book value after 3 years times the depreciation. Yun lang yun. Yung cost is 50,000 minus 3 times the depreciation na 9,000. So the answer is 23,000. Ito na yung book value niya after 3 years. No? Simple lang naman, no? So 9,000, tatlong 9,000 i-minus mo sa first cost. This is ito na yung value niya after 3 years. Okay? So simple lang, straight line. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. See you again on my next video. Follow me for more videos and to support me gain more followers. Thank you guys.